the Pietermaritzburg High Court in KwaZulu-Natal is set to sentence one of the men implicated in the July 2017 murder of Sindiso Magaqa. That's the former Secretary General of the ANC Youth League. Sibusiso Ncengwa pleaded guilty to Magaqa's murder as well as to charges of attempted murder and malicious damage to property. Watching developments for us just outside court is SABC News reporter Jayde Paulse, who joins us now live. And Jayde, of course, this in some ways, I suppose, will also help the family get some kind of closure, notwithstanding the many questions still lingering around what happened in 2017.
Well, a very good morning to you, Ayanda, and to the viewers back at home. And I think since 2017, a lot of people, as well as political parties, the ANC, as well as the family, really want justice. They want justice in this case. It has been dragging on for far too long. And now, with this developing news of one of the suspects pleading guilty, I think the family will definitely get closure. We actually haven't seen any of the family members outside court. What we have seen is the ANC trickling in drips and drabs. We are told that some of the heavyweights will be in court when it resumes at 10 o'clock this morning, Ayanda. But to talk to us more about how we've gotten here with one of the suspects pleading guilty, I am joined by the NPO spokesperson in the province, Natasha Kara. Thank you so much for joining us, Natasha. It's been quite a lengthy trial. We've rather seen developments taking place now. Where to from here, Natasha?
So on the 6th of June, which was earlier this month, this accused in particular made a Section 220 admissions to the court, admitting to the offences in the indictment that was drafted by the state, which is the murder, attempted murder, the unlawful possession of firearm, ammunition, as well as the malicious injury to property. What had happened is those 220 admissions were then accepted by the court as a plea of guilty. Having done that, the trial was separated where there are two accused and then there's this accused here. And today we are here for sentencing in this matter where there were 220 admissions made.
So what happens to the other two accused? Because I do know that trial is set down now, very recent, I think in July. What will happen? Will he be sentenced today and the continuation of the other two will commence?
Yeah, that trial will continue. I think it's coming back in October for further trial in the matter.
Obviously, there's also been a lot of implications. I know you can't really touch on that because police are investigating some of the allegations made by the suspect when he pleaded guilty.
Yeah, those allegations will obviously have to be investigated, as I said, prior to anything further occurring.
Thank you very much, Natasha Ncengwa, MPA for KwaZulu-Natal. Ayanda, just speaking on how we found ourselves here today with one of the accused being sentenced today. I'm just going to step out of shot and show you. Look, it is recess in the courts in the High Court in KwaZulu-Natal. This is one matter that will be sitting. We're not sure when it will start. We were expecting it to start at 10 o'clock. We were told that family members as well as political parties would come. Political parties being the ANC as well at the forefront to, show their support for this case. But as yet, we haven't seen any movement.